she wasn't afraid of her unconscious biases.
Yeah.
She wasn't afraid of like where she came from, and she not only used that context to fuel what she's doing today, she's taken that and decided to give back. That's the final form, the final evolution of wealth, in my opinion, and success. Being able to give back at a high level.
Slide this way if you're trying to see results. Active, get active, they can't match this. I got ambition, I'm driven. Hither Mann got the vision. Stay woke, if you're trying to win, you should listen. If you're trying to win, you should listen. Stay woke.
Heather, are you excited for today?
Yes, I am excited. Andy, where are you hiding? You're gonna be run away as soon as you saw the camera. This is what happens. So yeah, I'm really excited because well, we've got Mann test, sound. We have my music arm. And then we've got Lee, we've got amazing. My team is so full of energy. You've got to meet them. They're all incredible. So meet them. In fact, you're going to meet Lee, Andy, G's here today. We've got Gareth, one-to-one coach, and we have Mann test. We have Adrian, of course, we have Matt. So, and we have Coco, the most important VIP in the world. So you should, when you come to these events, meet them.
Hey, I'm Lee, I'm the assistant speaker today, and I am extremely excited to be helping Hither facilitate a great day, a great experience for the people that are turning up today. There's going to be a lot of fun, a lot of learning, a lot of new ideas. There's going to be a lot of things that we speak about today that are really going to challenge people's relationship with themselves, with their friends, with money. And the biggest takeaway that I want them to get is them feeling empowered when they leave today, knowing that they can take control of their lives and really take their money and learn how to use it to their advantage.
Andy is your person to talk to. He is Fortune Academy's customer relations manager. But his role is just to make sure you've got someone, because I won't be able to speak to every single person one-to-one and what I'd love to, but I have to be realistic, I can't. So this is why I've got Andy, I've got my team, I've got Gareth. Actually, Gareth can come up in a second, Lee will be coming up anyway. These are your people you have to speak to in the break. So you've got any questions about what Fortune Academy does, whatever. Andy, you can tell them.
My role is really to take care of you, make sure that you get great experience and not taking the stress away from you so that you can concentrate on what you're here for, and that's to learn from Hither. Okay? So if there's anything you want, any information, any help, come and see me. Okay? There's nothing too big that I can't solve. If I can't do it, I'll go and get someone that can. Alright? So just use me. Alright, so you enjoy your day.
And he understands Forex inside out. Thank you. To Lee and Gareth. Tell them what you do.
So nice to meet you all people. I think I've seen a lot of you in registration on the way in. But I've known Hither for a long time. I think she's probably going to tell you bits of the story today. And I've seen large chunks of that happen, to be honest. Haven't we go back a long way, don't we? It's been a privilege to be part of Fortune Academy. I think a lot of the thinking about sort of personal growth and improvement as a person, I can really testify for that, because I know from, I think differently, I behave differently to when I first started, and I'm still growing and still pushing now. It's fantastic. My main role is actually people who get involved on the Forex side of things is, once you've done your training, once you've done your course, is to be there to support you. Because we're the best one in the world, who's got so many students that you can't be there for all of them, but putting something in place to make sure that actually you are supported. So people have that moment where they sit down in front of their laptop and they look at their notes and they realise they made them in a rush and something doesn't quite make sense. So you text me, you WhatsApp me, and we'll try and sort it out for you. There are people in the room today. I'm Fabian's an existing student. Do I look after you? Yeah. So,
really good.
Yeah. You're easy, you're very low maintenance. That was an easy one. But yeah, we don't throw you out to the sharks and just leave you to struggle. And Lucy has on zero maintenance, to be honest, actually. So yes, it's really good examples of students in the room today. But actually, you two are very, very easy to deal with. But if you want to talk about how that works, obviously you don't want to speak to me. There are students in the room that can vouch for it. If you want to know anything about the Forex side of things and how it works, if you're thinking about pushing that on, then I'll be more than happy to speak to you. Okay, so I look forward to talking to you later. Thank you.
Special. Hey guys, my name's Lee, and I'm Hither's assistant speaker for today. So after the breaks, I'm going to be recapping what she covers. And I'm also one of Hither's students for 3 years now. So just over 3 years ago, I was sitting about where you were, sir. And I came and I didn't know anything about Forex. The most I knew about it was going to the airport and exchanging my money when I went on holiday to below. And I came into this room like you guys with an open mind and wanted to really find out what was this Forex all about. And how can a guy that failed maths and got a D, because the teacher didn't like me, how can I possibly be any good at this stuff, right? And let me tell you now, 3 years on, I stand in front of you with each year in trading, I've been in great profit. And aligning myself with Hither as my mentor has taken my life to the next level, to the point where now I'm just about to buy a penthouse on the Thames. All right? So, coming here today, I applaud you. All right? I want you to give yourself a because you guys are like the 1%. And what I mean by that is the 99% today are all sitting at home, maybe some of them still in bed, wishing and dreaming about making a change. Where you guys have decided to think about making a change, but you've taken action. All right? It takes that one step, just like I did 3 years ago. So, all right, guys, and just enjoy today. Ask as many questions as you like. I'm you. I'm basically you guys. I'm about 3 steps ahead. I'm nothing special. All right? So if I can do it, so can one of you. All right?
The fact that you... Yes, yeah. And also, I think it takes time also to understand that you need
to do
sort
that.
of...
It's horrible, it's very hard to do.
It is, but
when you do it, it's...
literally, so from my phone I say, no, I have to, because if the number is there and say, well, is there, well, every now and again, and then I see messages coming in, and then I have to eventually block the number, because for me, not for them, because otherwise... and then I was surprised that at your level you are also suggesting that.
It's the most important thing. It applies in business. Now for me, I would use it more mainly in, well, everything really. For my team, everyone around me. So whether it's like business, family and friends, I've spent years on fixing that. So I'm quite happy there. But now it would be mainly who I do business with, because there can be some very toxic people in business. So it's huge. It's really good.
It's true. It's true. And then, you know, naturally gravitate to an event like this, and you meet like-minded people. All right? Yeah, that's who you want to choose to be more in alignment with.
Yeah.
And yeah, sometimes you have to make a tough call, tough decision. Just because you're blood related doesn't mean you're related in terms of commonalities, all right, and alignment with your goals and where you want to go in life. I've done that. The majority of my blood family have been deleted, right? I made that choice. Yeah. So I believe you can choose your family.
Yourself as well? You'll be very kind, thank you.
No. There's a circle of influence around you. Now, I've narrowed it down in the last year or so. It's me.
Yeah.
I found out that it's me, it's my mindset that is stopping me from making the money. The opportunities are there.
What about you though?
What about me? I think I've got very negative association with money. If I become rich, I will turn into this or that.
That's why the first time ever I'm putting it into a program, because it's a huge thing.
It is.
It's huge. For so many people, I've always thought just mentioning it at the event will be enough, but it needs work on. You know, there's not something you can just say in 5-10 minutes and expect people to get it. It needs like some serious let's figure it out. Let's work out a plan to actually eliminate that. And it takes a while. So that's interesting, Serge. Okay, so what else? What else would you say is limiting you? I mean, that's a big one.
It is a big one, and I think it's really badly self-sabotaging myself because later on, you know, as we get to know each other, you'll hear about. I'm really good at creating business ideas and getting them off the ground, and then I sabotage myself. I do that all the time.
What does your dad think of what you're doing?
My family think I'm just like you. You know, I've come from an Asian family. They think, you know, I am the black sheep. I've pushed them through every single limit that they believed that I couldn't push them through. I've done so many naughty things anyway. Confession time.
Have a seat.
Do you live with your dad or mum?
Yeah, I still live in the.
That's probably your biggest thing.
In
So I know what Asian families are like.
Yeah.
They're intense. I had to move out, and it was a very frowned upon thing to do. But I had to do that to get clarity, because it's such a nice close-knit family environment, and I'm sure a lot of communities have that, but definitely in mine it's like you feel like an artificial comfort zone just being there, and subconsciously you don't want to ruin that. So if your dad's slightly like saying things about don't do this, don't do that, it's going to affect you. So
she's very supportive. She thinks I'm mad, but she still supports me. And that's, yeah,
It's good to be normal.
Yeah, it's good to be mad. I know, mate. I couldn't be normal, mate.
How did your VIP session go?
Oh, they're amazing. It's so inspiring. It's so like fun to learn about my audience. VIPs are really VIPs. I like that, and their mindset is incredible. So we're gonna have like follow-up one-to-one sessions as well. So if you ever come to an event, make sure you're a VIP to get the VIP drink. Please come back. You'll learn different stuff. If you come to my events, there'll be some overlap. There'll be always new content because I don't have a script. I just do whatever works that day, okay? And I make it tailored to the audience. So, thank you.
Last but not least, let's give a big round of applause for her.
Hi, my name is Michael. I'm from Southeast London, and I found out about Fortune Academy because I follow the YouTube channel. I've been following Hither Mann for quite some time. I used to forex trade in the past. I've dabbled in crypto, but the reason I came today was because there's another aspect of it that is very important to me, and that's the psychological aspect. And I feel like it's important to kind of pin down the fundamentals of wealth management before having any sort of experience in the industry fully. So yeah, this is something I want to use to make a very, very reliable source of income in the future, and something I hope to be consistent with. Well, not hope, but expect to be consistent with.
Brilliant. And who did you bring with you today?
I brought Stephanie, my girlfriend.
Hi, my name's Stephanie. I kind of heard, well, he brought me, he kind of said there's this event on Saturday, we'll go into it. And I think it's because we kind of share common ground and like having other means of income. Like we've been to talks like this before, but there was something different about this event. So, and being here so far, it's been amazing. We've heard things that just like stuck. Like she said some stuff and we're like, oh my gosh, we're just talking about that, or we're thinking about that. So it's like, I feel like it's really important to go to these, starting off young, having the right kind of mindset and the right direction, and someone to talk to you is quite important. So yeah.
I think the thing that I liked the most was the fact that she wasn't afraid of her unconscious biases.
Yeah.
She wasn't afraid of like where she came from, and she not only used that context to fuel what she's doing today, she's taken that and decided to give back. That's the final form, the final evolution of wealth, in my opinion, and success. Being able to give back at a high level.
Good morning, my name is Qasim Mahmoud. I'm an IT consultant, and in addition to working in IT, I've been looking into forex trading, been very interested in economics, stocks and shares, those kind of things. And I've been following Hither Mann for a few months now on LinkedIn. A lot of content which is posted by herself and Fortune Academy, and I just was on my agenda ready to come over and have a one-to-one physical look rather than staying in the cloud. There's a lot of stuff in the cloud, but actually, in order to get things done, you have to get down onto the floor. And that's basically the purpose of my visit today, and see, what I can get firsthand on forex side of things, on the wealth management side of things, and risk management side of things. So those are the three areas I think I will take some stuff back with me.
Hello, my name is Osaze Igodaro. I'm here for the Fortune Forex Academy training seminar with Hither Mann. I've been trading forex for over 2 years now, but I've had my up and downs. And the reason I came for this training is this, because I want to be consistent, and I've been following Hither for some time now, and I know she knows what she's doing. That's why I made it my priority to attend this conference, this seminar, to learn from her. So far, so good. I've learned a lot concerning mindset, how we can develop ourselves, and also because mindset contributes about 75% to the success of any trader or investor. How we can take charge and control our emotions, not to be emotionally attached to money or whatever. So the training so far so good. I would recommend this training for anyone, to come and see for yourself. It's good, it's good, it's good, Thank you.
Yeah, amazing. I can't believe that I'm still so high energy. It's just the audience keeping me on a high. Incredible people. You know what? They stayed here like 12 hours almost, so I really appreciate that energy. I'm going to be shattered, I know that, but I love this more than anything else, and I love contributing to somebody else being successful. It's what I live for. So being part of the Fortune family is my aim. I want to make that family the most incredible, uplifting family there is, and I'll do whatever it takes to fill it up with incredible people. And trust me, today was filled with so many of them, so hope we all meet up. You guys have been asking me about how to get on to the next event, so in case you don't know, we do events in London every month. Check on the link that's just below and register. The tickets are very, well, they were free. I hope they're still free by the time you click on them. They will be stopping being free eventually, just that's what my team have said. But I have done it for free, starting, and then there are some VIP tickets and whatever, depending on what you want to do. Come to the event, see it for yourself, because I love it, and I want you guys to love it too.
Slide this way if you're trying to see results. Active, get active, they can't match this. I got ambition, I'm driven. Hither Mann got the vision. Stay woke, if you're trying to win, you should listen. If you're trying to win, you should listen. Stay woke, if you're trying to win, you should listen. If you're trying to win, you should listen. Stay woke.